Bingo Cache can fail to bring up the keyboard when you tap a text field, and the quickest fix is usually to restart the app and check whether your phone's keyboard works normally in another app. By the end, you'll know how to determine whether the problem is Bingo Cache, your keyboard app, or your phone's input settings. First, completely close Bingo Cache and reopen it. Then return to the same text field and tap it again. If the keyboard appears, the issue is limited to the app's current session. If the keyboard still does not appear, test another app. Open Messages, Notes, or your phone's search bar and tap a text field. If the keyboard appears there, your phone's keyboard is working and the problem is more likely limited to Bingo Cache. On Android, check your default keyboard. Open Settings and search for Default Keyboard or On-Screen Keyboard. Confirm that a keyboard such as Gboard or Samsung Keyboard is enabled and selected as the default input method. If you're using Gboard, open Settings, go to Apps, select Gboard, then check whether the app is enabled. You can also open Gboard's storage settings and use Clear Cache if that option is available. Clear Cache removes temporary files without using the same reset as clearing the app's storage. On iPhone, check whether the keyboard works normally in another app. If it does, force close Bingo Cache and reopen it. If the problem continues, restart the iPhone and test the Bingo Cache text field again. Next, check for an available Bingo Cache update. On Android, open Google Play and search for Bingo Cache. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon, and check the available updates. An app update can resolve compatibility problems affecting text fields or other interface elements. If the keyboard works everywhere except Bingo Cache, avoid changing unrelated phone settings. The problem is likely specific to the app or its current session. If the keyboard does not appear in any app, focus on the phone's keyboard settings instead. Restart the device, confirm the keyboard is enabled, and test again. If reinstalling Bingo Cache becomes necessary, first make sure you can sign back into your account. Reinstalling an app can remove local app data, so don't delete it until your login details or account connection are confirmed. The key checks are simple. Test the keyboard in another app, restart Bingo Cache, verify your default keyboard, and install any available update. If the keyboard still refuses to appear only inside Bingo Cache, contact the app's support team and describe the exact screen where the keyboard fails. Try the cross-app keyboard test first, because it immediately tells you where to focus. If this fixed the problem, like the video and subscribe for more app fixes.